Hey everyone, Sean Ryan here from the Ryan Realty Group and EXP Realty. And just as promised, around today I'd go live with a new listing to give you a quick sneak peek. And we're just here doing the pictures and all the great stuff. So you can see in the write-up about the house, it's on Cathcart Blvd. It's right close to Murphy Road, right in the area of all the best schools here in Sarnia, Lambton, which is great. Lots of great updates done to the house, like windows, roof, furnace, a lot of all new floors, and everything. So it's a great house. We're doing the pictures today. You can see the photographers are right here behind me. Dragonfly Media. Say hey guys. Hey. Only the best we hire to get these jobs done. Make sure our clients are well taken care of. So let's take a quick sneak peek and see what everybody thinks. So you can see here, there's Murphy Road right over there. So we're right close to the beach, sunripe, all the good stuff as well. Here is a glimpse of the front of the house. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring us inside the front room just to give you a little sneak peek before the pictures come out later this week to give you an idea of what to look out for. So let's take a look. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Oh, sorry, Ann. So here we are. We're just in the main living room area right now. Look at that, nice and open. Look at those beautiful hardwood floors. Jeez, I wish I had those in my house. There you go, nice large dining area. House is very clean. They take very good care of it. You all see it's open here to the kitchen, so which is nice. So yeah, everyone, this place is going to be $299,900, so under $300,000 on Cathcart Blvd, only a few blocks from the beach. Right by Sunripe, right by the LCBO. We've got 3 bedrooms, lots of great updates, all of Sarnia's best schools. We're going to do an open house this weekend as well, so check back for times and the exact date for everything. It's not going to last long, so really you're going to want to reach out if you want to book a showing. Contact your agent if you're working with an agent, or reach out to us. Here's another area here too. You can see another sitting area that goes to the backyard. Check out the stamped concrete patio. That gazebo stays as well, just so you know. So that's stamped concrete. There's a 2-piece bathroom right there. So yeah, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Look in the details. $299,900. You got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1126 Cathcart Blvd. It's gonna be in the market probably Wednesday. Open house this weekend. We're going to put Sean your lawn, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.